To software update your Garmin Instinct, press and hold the menu button and go down to Settings. Then go down to System, right here. And finally, go down to Software Update, right there. And just make sure the auto update is turned on. And then, as long as your watch is connected to the Garmin Connect app on your phone, it will auto update. Generally, this happens overnight, so when you will take your watch the next morning, it will be up to date and you will have a message saying that your watch is now up to date. You can have the software version into About, just under System, and well, it's just right there. So, this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.